Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why I just bought Coinbase stock. Now, there's been a lot of momentum, hype about this company because they just released their IPO. So now the public can invest in this company, which is crazy, but the evaluations may be a little high. But we're going to be breaking down really why I just bought some. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video because that's the main idea with this video and the channel. And I'll put a link down below if you guys want to check out and learn how to properly invest in the market. I do have a course, and that'll be the first link down below. So now, roll the intro, let's go. Bam. Now, for those of you that don't know what Coinbase is pretty much a cryptocurrency exchange, and you guys can buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you can buy Ripple, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies. And there's really two main ways that Coinbase makes money. The very first way is commission. Now, anytime you buy or sell your crypto, they do charge a little bit. It's about $1, and it's honestly super affordable if you compare it to other exchanges out there. Now, and what makes Coinbase really awesome is you can send it to your third-party wallet. So you can actually send it to your cryptocurrency wallet. If you compare that to Robinhood, you cannot do that on Robinhood because you pretty much don't own your crypto on Robinhood. Robinhood actually does. But now the second way Coinbase makes money is off margin. If you guys want to borrow money with Coinbase, they do charge a little bit in interest, and obviously I do not recommend it because you're pretty much borrowing money to invest. And yeah, you can make a lot of money, but you also can lose a ton of money. It's just my opinion. But now, over the past couple of years, this valuation of this company has gone up super fast. Now, in 2017, this company was worth right around $8 billion and growing. That's the thing. But at today's value, it's worth around $100 billion, which is super crazy just because on their last earnings, they made about $1.1 billion, which is super high, yeah, but when you invest in this company, you're pretty much investing in the overall growth of crypto and everything that follows. So if you're not a huge crypto fan, obviously I would not recommend this stock. But if you're somebody who thinks there's a lot of potential for crypto, Coinbase may be the best investment for you. The reason why this is so important is because Coinbase obviously makes almost all of their money off the usage of Bitcoin and a lot of other cryptocurrencies. And with the growth of Bitcoin over the past couple of years, this has been why this company's been worth a ton. Now, obviously, the downside of this is if that just say Bitcoin falls off and people don't end up using it, this valuation in this company could lose a lot of momentum, a lot of steam, and a lot of money. But me personally, I really don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. I think there's a lot of future for crypto, and that's why I'm buying some of it. Now, yes, this is definitely considered a growth stock in my opinion, just because the stock right now is actually pretty volatile. You know, it goes up and down at pretty rapid rates, and I would highly recommend maybe before you invest in, a company like Coinbase, maybe check out some ETFs that track the Bitcoin and have a lot of Bitcoin companies in it. That's just my opinion if you want to. The reason why that's important is because if you're diversified, you carry less risk, but you still invest in that overall sector. But overall, now that we have a good understanding of Coinbase, let's actually look at the chart and see how the first week did on their IPO. Alrighty guys, so we are looking at Coin, C-O-I-N. This is now Coinbase's ticker. And you guys can see on the IPO day, the stock really went from about $380 all the way up to about $430 before selling off a ton all the way down to $310. Really did find some overall strong support at that price zone. After hours, it went up to about $366, sold off, found that overall support back, at around $317 to $310, then just consolidated. So right now, I really think that this is just the overall strong support is around $316 to $315, all the way down to about $310 right now is the harder support. So right now, with it being about $344, yeah, I'm gonna hop in. I'm only gonna be investing about 1% of my account into this. The reason why is because, yes, there is still an ungodly amount of risk involved. You're pretty much betting on crypto, you're betting on this company, and yeah, the financials right now are great. They have extremely high profit margins. They have quite a bit of cash on hand, not too much long-term debt, and everything inside the company is very, very strong. But the valuation, in my opinion, could be a tad high. That's why we could get some volatility with this. But overall, I'm really excited to see where this company goes and how it turns out. My 2021 price target is honestly just to break above the 200 moving average line. I think if we do that, that's just going to be an overall very bullish thing for this company to do. But I'm super excited and I'm ready to hold it through all the volatility, the ups and downs, and see what happens. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care. Bam.